Hello everybody, we're here at the cabin in the forest and we're gonna go in through our mudroom door and see all the progress that has been made. We do have the drywall up here and the furnace will go here. But look at how neat. They have completely built an intricate system for all the venting, heating and air conditioning. It is fantastic. Really fascinating to see how a house gets built and all the things that go into making the house run and stay warm or cool, offer shelter, and of course pass every single inspection and be up to par with what it should be. But look at how interesting everything that we see here. All the work that went into making this livable. Pretty wild, isn't it? Everywhere you look. A living, breathing machine. And then we'll go to this side. And you can see it through here. And so we do have the vents for everything now in place. Pretty wild. Still a long way to go, but every day making a step forward in the right direction to move in here. And there's the cabin, everybody. That's the latest update. We love you. Take care. Bye-bye.